In this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize the Confluence dashboard. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to personalize your homepage so you can quickly access the spaces, pages, and updates that matter most. Open Confluence and sign in to your account. From the dashboard, click your profile picture in the top right corner and open your settings if you want to manage your personal preferences. Return to the dashboard and customize your view by starring your most important spaces and pages. These starred items appear in the recent or starred sections, making them much easier to access without searching. Next, review the widgets on your dashboard, such as recent, worked on, and quick access. Rearrange or use the available options to focus on the content you use most often. If your organization has enabled custom homepage features, you can also add or modify dashboard sections to better match your workflow. If you're a Confluence administrator, open Settings and go to Look and Feel or your site's homepage settings depending on your Confluence version. From there, you can customize the site homepage, branding, logo, and other elements that users see when they first sign in. After making your changes, refresh the dashboard to confirm everything looks the way you want. You can always update your start pages and spaces as your projects change. That's how to customize the Confluence dashboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.